In today's vlog, we will continue to disassemble the interior. So what I'm going to start with, I want to remove the passenger side seat and then the driver's side seat, and then finally get the carpet out. Why do I want to get the carpet out? The car is getting ready to go into the paint shop, as we all know. So the body work is pretty messy. There's a lot of Bondo dust, overspray, and all kinds of stuff that could get the carpet a lot dirtier. The biggest concern of the seat removal is that I'm having a hard time accessing these rear bolts right here and right there. So I finally removed one of them with a 17mm wrench, but this one seems to be impossible to get access to. We have to figure out how we're going to get access to this bolt right here. This seat right here is still fully secured, so let's take a look where the bolts are on this side. So basically you have two bolts, one here and one right there. You remove this cap, and there's a 17mm nut, you just remove it and it comes right out. Then you scoot the seat forward and you have one here and one there, and this is the ones that are hard to access. Also, we have to remove the seat belt from the seat, which is also 17mm, and it's fairly simple. There's a little cap right here that pops out, and you just use a ratchet to remove this. So I figured out how this mechanism works. Basically what you're going to do, you're going to push this handle down, and then you're going to pull the seat by the front. You're going to pull it up. Wow, look at this. Now we can easily access these bolts. Excellent. These two are out right here, and then let's go to the front. Let's go ahead and push the seat back, but boom, and then let's remove this one and that side real quick, and also don't forget the seat belt right there. Okay, the next step, looks like I'm gonna have to remove these panels right here, which two screws right here. Remove those two screws and this should come out. Next thing will be the center console. We'll remove this part and we'll go from there. So let's get to it. The situation that I have right now is I can't get those screws out, so what I'm gonna do probably just drill them out and get new ones. Okay, so we're gonna remove this. This comes right out. This in the bag. Okay, this is what I've discovered so far. Do I really need to remove the full carpet, or can I just cover it? Why I say that? Okay, check this out. The carpet goes all the way underneath the whole dash right here. So it means that all this has to come out. Even though I will be, changing out the dash, but dude, that is a lot of work right now. And then if I take it apart, there's a lot of things and components that could be lost. So plan B, what I'm thinking is, what if, just what if, I cover this carpet up with the special wrap that I have, put the seat back in, and call it a day. Because I think that probably is the best route right now. And what I mean to cover it up with what? I'll show you. Okay, what if I use this? This material is what we cover the cars with, or the body panels when we work on the car so they won't get scratched. So what if I use this material, or this sticky film, protection film, and just put it on the carpet? Just cover it all up. That way I won't have to take it out and it will be covered. I think it's probably the best and easiest way of doing this. Let's try it out. Let me vacuum this whole thing out and go from there.
She pulls the trigger and I'm just blown away downright. My mind's indifferent to know what's wrong or right. Her bite is bittersweet, cause I'm stuck between her lines. She silenced me with words that shouldn't be combined. Oh, I can't go on. Yeah,
okay guys, what do you think? Think that'll work? Comment below, let me know what you guys think about this idea. I think it beats taking the carpet out. Just cover everything up, including the steering wheel too, and the electronics. But I think at this time, I think this is sufficient for the carpet. I think we're good to go. Just gotta put the seat back and get the car out of here. So it's the last thing that's left we're gonna do today is put the seat back on the driver's side. And that's it. Excellent, huh? Look at that. Nice. Gotta roll this stuff up. Boom.
I'm trying to calm down and get you real applied. The scale is running wild, it's heavy on my side. I'm throwing things at you, but nothing seems to stick. I'm swimming round your aisle, think I'm losing my grip. I'm trying to hold.
Alright guys, this is it right here. Alright, the seat's in. Let's check out the other side. I think this will work and save us a lot of time without removing the carpet. Look at this. Awesome. Seat's in, everything's covered. Time has come to move this vehicle over to the welding area to weld the bracket that we talked about that's missing over here. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, consider subscribing for more content. See you guys next time.
See me through, baby. I just want you badly now. Everything I feel is shown. There's nowhere I can hide. I can see myself falling, crashing.
Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.